Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, hello, I'm Miss Patricia Ann, and we have my IPSY bag for January. We're going to be doing the unboxing, unwrapping of my IPSY bag. We're going to see what we got for this month of January 2018. Our first IPSY bag for 2018. Who is super excited to see what we got? So, if you're not familiar with what IPSY is a subscription that you pay $10 a month for, and you get 5 products. They're usually sample size products, but I mean sometimes you get actual full sizes, and I mean I really love my IPSY bag, and I'm going to put some more information down in the description below, so go check it out, and let's get on with this video. So first, I'm telling you, I always say this, and I never bring scissors. Possibly start bringing scissors. Oh, I should possibly start bringing scissors for real. Okay. Ooh. You ready? Ooh. Ooh. First of all, let's go over the bag. My first thoughts of the bag is that it feels sporty. Like, it doesn't remind me of something like January would be. Like, this reminds me of something that, like, a summer bag. This would be, like, a typical summer bag. But it's still cute. I really like it. It reminds... I don't know. I like... Uh-oh. Mine's stuck. Uh-oh. Something in mine stick in mine? Oh. Not really. Okay, there we go. I had my little card. Okay, so yeah, my bag, it's cute. It is a cute little bag. It's got like, it's cute. I feel like it would be more of a summer bag. I'm kind of disappointed on the bag itself, design, but I mean, it's great quality of the bag. And this bag is, like, it's got the material in it that this would be like a water resistant bag. Like I said, this would be a summer bag to me, but it's January, so anyway. And I Will Conquer Game Face. So that's not really... Okay, that's our card for this month. I usually love the little cards. Like, little cards are usually inspirational, and this is just, I guess, your New Year's resolution, I will conquer, and you fill it in, but I don't know. But anyway, let's go with what came in the bag. I got coffee scrub. Sexy skin is just a scrub away. I never tried this, so... I mean, what do we do with it? You turn the shower on and dampen your skin. Use about 2 small handfuls of the coffee scrub to cover your body. With circular motions, massage the scrub on your skin, concentrating on your problem areas. Okay, leave for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse off, and feel the difference. Okay. So I am excited to try that. That was different. And then, oh, I was super excited when I seen this online. This is the charcoal, like, wash-off mask. Here it is. Super excited for that. And you just put it on your face and you let it set. Does it say how long? You don't want to get in your eyes. Okay, you want to leave it on for approximately 15 minutes or until dry. Gently rinse off mud with water and remove any residue. Okay, so I am excited to try this out. There's 2 products that we do like. Ooh. Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness, this is so amazing that I actually got this. I want to open this. This is, hold on. Can you see? I am excited that I got this. I'm trying to open this. Well, I can't put it on because I have my latex lip gloss from last month on. I was super excited for. I really loved my bag last month, but this month, I mean... So far, I really like the products I've gotten this month's bag. I mean, it's different than last month, so that's what I like about IPSY is, like, you're always getting different stuff. You're never getting, like, the same thing. And if you do get the same product, get different shades. So, I mean, I never had to buy makeup. I always get in my IPSY. Can I get this stuff open? I do wrap it really good. Oh, okay. There we go. I was actually talking about this color. Let me see if you can see. I was wanting to go to like a darker lip shade instead of all the pink that I've been wearing. Yes, 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 yes. This is definitely, I'm excited for this. I'm going to show you. You can see. It's really dark. Ooh, okay, I don't want to open it yet. Well, we only get 2 products left. And that's the bag we just talked about. Okay. Our 4th product is, see, at least they put on bubble wrap. I know a lot of people was talking about like they got their makeup when they get it, it's all cracked and everything. I've never had cracked makeup, thank goodness. Knock on wood, knock on wood. But yeah, I've never really got broken makeup, and I've been really happy for that. Because I do, ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, oh, I didn't even show you guys. I got the contour palette, and it's got the highlight, bronzer, and contour. So the contour is right here, the bronzer is right here, and the highlighter is right here. I'm so excited. I'm actually going to try a little bit of, try some of the highlighter. I'm not even going to take my brush out of here yet. I'm just going to try a little bit of that. Ooh, ooh. I do like that highlight. Look at that. That highlight's really, really pretty. Yeah, that highlight. I love that highlight. Oh my goodness. The highlight is super pretty. Yes, I am so happy for this contour. I can't wait to try these on. I don't want to put on right now, but I am going to try these on later. And these two. Super pretty. I love it. Okay, now for this. Let's open this. This is my Stay Put Brow Gel. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to try it on and see what it's all about. Probably shouldn't have done my brows. Ooh, I can still touch my brows up with this. Ooh, what's going on here? Is that... Okay, the screws off. Okay. It's not a lot of work here. Okay, okay. So I guess I was right when I was saying... Oh, yes. Okay. So that's how that comes off. Like, I'm not aware. I've never had this product before. So you just kind of pull that off like that. And then here is your brow gel right here. And you just kind of put on your brows. I may not end up using this brush. I may use a different brush. But you know what's funny? Is I was really worried that when I got this brow gel that it wouldn't be the color of my eyebrows. And I have naturally dark eyebrows. So this came in dark. So I'm really happy for that. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with all my products. I mean, my products is really, really cute for this month. Super excited. And yeah, pretty much that is my IPSY bag for January of 2018. Comment below. Leave a link below if you've made your IPSY bag review. And I love to watch them. I'm trying to clean my mess up now. That is all for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. And you can subscribe right here. Right here, right down there, you can hit subscribe. It is free, so I mean, why not? I am going to go and enjoy my coffee scrub. And as always, mwah. I got a lot of bulky products this month, which I'm not complaining, I like them, but they're bulky.